What's going on, guys? We are back. The M5 is back. We're taking it for a rip today. I'm about to space out the front wheels to line up the fitment because I've seen your comments. I have noticed myself. You think I can't see this? We got a whole baby tooth gap right there. Gotta fix that up. So tomorrow, 35 millimeters are going. We got 20 on right now. It's not enough. We're going big, we're going 35. So before I destroy this car's fitment, I thought we could take a quick cruise, but not just any cruise. We're going on Canada's most dangerous highway. A little cold start quick. Another day, another interesting BMW. So the reason I say this is Canada's most dangerous highway is, well, we have the 401 going east-west, the 400 going north-south. Here we go. Goes through Canada, through tons of the US. Then we got 401, which is east-west here in Canada. And in my opinion, has some of the worst drivers ever. And that's why it's so dangerous. Let's go. That's loud. Can I do this? Is this better? I don't know. Maybe this. That's the other thing too. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lanes on this highway right now. So much room for stuff to happen. It's insane. Keep looking in the mirror like I'm talking to that camera. I should be talking to you guys here. This car drives so well at highway speeds. This is what the M5 E60 was built for. I've always said one of my biggest complaints about the, hold on. One of my biggest complaints about this car has always been in first and second gear. It just drives like rough. You can really feel it rock back and forth when you're in those gears. It's not smooth at all. Then you get on the highway. Also, let me get the M button pushed here. What are we doing? You get into the express lanes, and you just ripper. It's so busy out, oh my goodness. Actually, this is pretty calm for Toronto, I gotta say. Gonna be too like windy if I do it. Let's try. Woo! I wish there was more like private roads in Canada. At least in Toronto, it would be so much nicer. Zoom in through here quick. Look at that beautiful sunset. Immaculate. Alright, perfect time for a little pull. Are we ready? Shifting down to 5th, down to 4th. Drives so smooth, man. A little bit of sun glare, it's fine. It's one thing about Canadian city roads is they're wide open, but they're just a straight line, so there's only so much you can do on them. Some of the best driving in Canada is up north, Muskoka, some windy roads there, super fun. So I guess I want to get off here. I did a POV driving video where I had my mom sit in the passenger seat and she reacted to the driving. And I was up in Muskoka, super windy roads, super fun. And I don't know what I blew on the car, but I just remember it was rough after. I think it was like the alternator or something that had to be replaced. Not good. But we're chilling now. Look at this. Oh, so tempted to just send her. Still at least a little bit of drive in here. Gets you a nice little good view of the city up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Might not be able to. Oh. The Axleback exhaust though, I know I say it every POV video. She's sounding exquisite. Alright, little pull here. Let's get these windows down so you can hear. Down to 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th. Ripping it. No way we're about to hit dead stop traffic. Also one of the issues of living in the south of Toronto, I live right on the water, right on Lake Ontario. Everything is in the other direction, so when you have to drive, you basically have to go south to get where you want to go. But having the 06 M5 makes that a little bit more fun, obviously. Hitting the M button also makes such a difference. I know it might not seem like it, but you can really feel the drive difference with the M button on any M, obviously, any BMW M. Basically takes off the horsepower regulator, you can customize it to take off traction control, whatever you want really. And paired with the Sprint Booster V3 that also eliminates that throttle lag that the M5 has, it's such a nice combo, such a good pairing. It really feels like, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell here, but if I just tap the gas, we're going. Left my foot off, tap, we're going. There's no delay, it's so reactive, I love it. This guy. The only problem with the M button is I can pretty much see my gas gauge going down every time I hit the gas. If I'm checking the fuel economy right now, we're at 24.8 liters per 100 kilometers. For you Americans watching, a good mileage on the kilometer side would be anything under like 14. So we are well over anything resembling a good fuel economy. It's the other thing on these highways too, there's so many 18-wheelers just left, right, and center. Alright, little tunnel rip. Ah! You guys fell! Oh no! What happened? That's not good. Well, shit. I got you back. Don't worry. That was interesting. Had to fight a little bit with the tripod there while in traffic to get you guys back. Don't worry, you're not missing much because we're sitting in dead stop traffic, so it's fine. But don't you worry, I'm gonna get a few more rips and some good old S85 V10 noises in to round out the video. What do you say? Little one, and then right back into traffic. I'm watching two guys, one in a Tesla, one in a Range Rover, just road rage chase each other through traffic. This city is insane. Also, guys, huge update. Newest mod to the M5. It took 7 years to install. We got a phone holder. Can you believe it? It works so well. Now I can stop finally frying my balls because I would always just put the phone on my lap. And apparently that's not good for offspring. Later in life. We're not there yet. Under the bridge. Here we go. Woo! And the BMW logo to send us home. You'll love to see it. Oh, what did we hit? Oh my God. Guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Ignore my messy office in the back here. I'm doing some spring cleaning. Even though it's September, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Anyway, if you made it to the end, I really appreciate you. Very busy day. I'm actually going out right away to go film another video. About to go space out the wheels on the M5, so that'll be the next vlog. Make sure you leave a like and a sub if you want to keep up with that and the whole build of the M5. Something I like to do at the end of these videos, at the end of every vlog, is respond to some of your comments. So if you want to be in the next vlog, make sure you leave a comment, question, whatever you want down below, and I might respond to you in the very next video. So today, I picked 3. The first comment is from HotPoint474. Shout out to you, man. He wrote, F10 might beat the E60, but never beat that naturally aspirated V10. It's so true. There's a lot of faster M cars, a lot of faster M5s than the M5 E60, but I think that engine makes this car probably the most unique M5 in my opinion. So 100% agree with you there. Not the fastest, but a very cool car. T-Rick left a comment. Shout out to you, T-Rick. He said, gotta drop in and give you props. There's a manual M5 for sale near me. $30K in maroon. I think it's the Indianapolis red color he's talking about. $30,000 is a pretty good price. I bought mine for 17,000 Canadian dollars back in 2017. I got an insane deal. I was an 18-year-old, 19-year-old kid, had no idea what I was getting myself into. Look at what the car's turned into now. Very, very cool stuff. If you guys are looking for an M5 E60, get one now sooner than later because the price is going up year over year. I think the value of my car has basically increased by almost $10,000 since I bought it, which is really cool. James Drives 993 wrote, you better cover your stereotypical rich kid BMW face before I make it into an M5 driver meme. I don't know if that's a compliment or an insult, but do it, man. I want to see this meme. 100%. Anyways, guys, that's 3 quick comments I picked out from the last vlog. If you want to be in the next video and want me to respond to your question, your comment, leave it down below. My name is Chris. I will see you then. Love ya. Bye.